What's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Tech Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. So, this channel is all about money, business, finance, stocks, investment, and we're gonna talk about different ways to make money. So, if this is your first time and you really want to make more money and provide for your families, your parents, so hit the subscribe button and let's get to it. So, today our topic is about 2000 free stimulus money from US government every month. So that's what we're gonna talk about. So make sure you listen to it until the end. So when you subscribe the channel, so make sure you hit the bell and select all so that you do not miss any of my videos, because some of the videos are time sensitive, and the sooner you know, the better it is for you to make money. Okay, so it's called emergency money for people act. So what is it? It is 2000 stimulus money every month for at least 6 months. It's not gonna be counted as income, so there's no tax. So it's not gonna impact other income-based assistance programs like food stamps or any other programs that's basically look at your income. So who will get it? So every American adult age 16 and older making less than 130,000 annually. If you're a married couple, so you just multiply 130,000 with 2, so 260,000. That's gonna be the criteria. And married couples could get 4,000. So the amount's gonna be reduced by $50 every month for every 1,000 above your threshold. So let's say if you're making 131,000, so every month you will just get 1950 instead of 2,000. So it stays the same for the couple. So you reduce by $50. So it's gonna be $100 for couples. And qualified children will receive 500 per child, but there's a limit to it. It's a maximum 3 children. So if you have more than 3 children, you make a decision who should get it right now. Yeah, I'm just joking. So yeah, it's maximum 3 children, and dependents could also receive it. So that's something that's different from 1,200 stimulus money from before. Before I posted a video about 1,200 stimulus money. If you haven't seen it yet, just click on the link to see the previous videos. So now in this proposal, non-residents could also be eligible. So basically, non-U.S. citizen, and if you are not a green card holder or U.S. citizen, you could also be eligible. So I know that there will be so many questions I will be getting, so I'm gonna try to answer before you ask questions. But if you do have any questions, make sure you comment on below, or YouTube or on Facebook, anywhere you see this. If you don't have no job, no worry, you could be eligible. So if you were not eligible for 1,200 check based on 2018 and 2019 tax return, you need to submit 2 consecutive months of paychecks for 2020 to be considered for this 2,000 per month stimulus money. So it's 2,000 per month is for 6 months for guarantee. That's what they are saying. But also, what is different in this situation is students and adults with disability who are also claimant dependent will also receive it, and their parents and guardian will also receive a dependent credit. So that's great. That's more comprehensive than 1,200 stimulus check. So is this money stimulus money real? It's still a proposal. So the House has to approve it and the Senate has to approve it. So the 2 Democrats made the proposals in the House. So they have to go through all these steps. And then once we get all the approval from the House, the Senate, the President has to sign. If the President doesn't approve it, then he's going to send it back to the Senate. And if the two-thirds of the Senate approve it, so that can override the President's disapproval. So what can you do as a American? So you can subscribe and share this video. The more you share, the more people know about it, the more people is gonna support it, and the higher chance that it's gonna get approved for it. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. So I got a course coming up. How to get 75,000 or more paying jobs in USA, and that cost gonna be great for everybody who wants to change their career and who wants to make more money and who wants to work and live in USA. So basically, the principles in the course gonna apply for everybody. So the course gonna contain how to write a winning resume, how to go for an interview, how to negotiate for pay, and how to look up the salary of the jobs, the career that you want to change, the insight, secrets, tips to get the job you want. And there gonna be videos posting. For the limited time, the course gonna be available for 1 year. It's a 1 year course. That's gonna be great if you're interested in registration. So email it to me or message me on Facebook. Message me on Facebook and Instagram, so that you reserve your space. I want to have a quality control so that there's hundreds of thousands of people not gonna sign up for it. So yeah, so quality control and limited time, limited space. So make sure you email me your email address on Facebook and Instagram. So the link that the course link is gonna be below above. Yeah, one is okay. So these are the future courses: how to make 1,000 to 10,000 amount invested in stocks, and how to start a business and be your own boss. You can start a business on part time on the weekends, and eventually you transition into becoming your own boss. So this is gonna be a great course. If you interested, you can sign up for it. You should be interested because right now, with all the situation uncertainty happening, you be positive. This is something that you need to be doing right now to survive and to thrive for the next one of the recessions, whatever's happening. So that millionaires has an average 7 streams of income, so it's really great to start thinking about starting your own part-time business and be your own boss. And there's also gonna be course how to make money trading stocks. So these are great courses. Make sure you subscribe and sign up and send an email to me so that you can reserve your space in future. Okay, so thank you for watching my video until the end. It's almost the end, but I want to reward you. I want to give you gifts for watching my videos. And so there are 3 free audio gifts for you. The link's gonna be down below or above. If it's on Facebook, it's gonna be above. YouTube is gonna be below. So make sure you click a drop down list to see the link in the descriptions. So 3 free audiobooks for you. And also, if you are just starting out investing in stocks, or if you already just started and you want to get 3 free stocks at Facebook, Apple, Snap, Zoom, click 2 links below. And one is gonna require to deposit before you get the stock, just 1 stock, and the other link is gonna give you 2 stocks. One, as soon as you open an account, you're gonna get a stock, and you get approved. Of course, you need to get approved for it. And number 2, the second stock, once you make 100 deposit, you could get a stock from $12 to $1,400, 1,400 stocks. So it can be Facebook, Apple, can be anything. And require, if you're thinking about being a real estate agent or realtor, this is a great time to sign up for a course. Because the economy goes well, a lot of buyers want to buy more houses. If the economy goes bad, there are more sellers. A lot of people have to sell their homes. So it's great to be a realtor in any situation. So make sure you click on the link below the study. It's going to take about 30 days to study. You take the test. So within 60 days, you could become a realtor. So once you get past the test, also message me, so I will guide you along the way. So okay, cool. So if you are thinking about getting credit card, best credit cards for interest free, I'm gonna post the link below. And if you are you paying $30 or more, $50 more on your cell phone plan, I've got a great news for you. It's only gonna cost $15. Unlimited text, unlimited talk, unlimited data. 3 gig is really fast. After 3 gig, it slows down, but you still get unlimited data. So even the Hollywood actor Ryan Reynolds use this plan. So make sure if you are saving $300, $400 a year, so that's your vacation money. You can book a plane ticket to anywhere you like to go in US. $400, $500 is a lot of money. So it's every single small amount gonna add up. So if you are gonna be traveling after this is over, then I'm gonna give you free travel credits for you as a gift. Okay, so email me your email address for important updates. So it can be anything about money, stimulus money. I'm gonna send you email for updates, newsletter, whatever. So that you don't miss out. Email, message me your email address at Facebook and also Instagram. So what do you learn today? So make sure you write down below. If you have any questions, comment below. And one person with the most published shares and comments with the hashtag win and call gonna receive a free call with me, free consultation call about business, finance, stocks, real estate, immigration, anything. Yeah, live questions. Yeah, if you cannot wait, click the link below to book a call. So we're gonna schedule and we're gonna get on the call to solve your issues problems. So make sure you subscribe on YouTube. Look for YouTube, Facebook, Richard Insider. So I will see you next time.